Hi mga Kalaagan! Ako si Kalaagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Sugbo Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Sugbo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Sugbo. It's another pageant episode and another pageant queen na naman ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome Classic Mrs. Asia International 2023 All-Nation winner. We have Mrs. Anyana Bolichi Saunders. Hello! Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. Ang ganda naman ng crown mo.
Oh, salamat.
Diba? So, I would like to ask, how was the competition, by the way? When you were competing, kumusta?
It's exciting. At first, I'm nervous, but when you are there, it's really having fun.
So yun na, mukhang fun-fun ka na lang
Yes,
doon.
yes.
But how does it feels when you represent the Philippines?
It's not about myself. When you are there, it's about you fight for the country. So we have 3 Filipina there. So we work together for the country, not because for ourselves.
Because you are not just representing yourself, but the
Yes.
Philippines rather.
That's right, that's
Diba? What does success mean to you?
Success, it depends on the person you accept the success. For me, success, it's a lot of meanings of the success of each individual. For me, my success for me is like you have a work and life balance.
I
Yes, so
see.
you are successful with your family, with your husband, and then you have also a very successful in your business. So for me, that's the meaning of success.
Diba?
Yeah.
Life balance, my love life. Sana all naman talaga tayo dyan. Representing the Philippines and a beauty queen.
Yeah.
Diba? And also, who is Anyana without the title?
Yeah. I'm a provinciana from Iligan.
From Iligan,
Yeah.
okay.
And yan without a crown, I'm a very loyal as a friend. I'm a very kind to my family. I'm very generous. Yes, I'm very generous to my kids and to my husband. So, in a one word, I'm a very loyal friend.
A loyal friend. Yan naman talaga yung kailangan natin, diba? A loyal friend and also a loving wife.
Yes.
Diba? Ganon. And also, I would like to ask, you were able to win Classic Mrs. Asia International 2023 Best in Traditional Costume and also Classic Mrs. Asia International 2023 Top 3 Best in Talents. Wow, galing naman. So we have the awards here. Now, can you tell us about your traditional costume?
I choose the Cebu Festival.
The Sinulog.
The
Okay.
Sinulog, so.
Which is malapit na.
Yes, so I choose the Sinulog since I live in Cebu, but my traditional costume is made from Mindanao by an international designer, Roy D. So, talagang ang costume ko ay nag-travel from Mindanao to Cebu, and then Cebu to Bangkok.
Oh my God, to Bangkok talagang sawadi ka. Diba?
Yes,
So, you are festival queen, Sinulog Festival Queen.
Yeah, so we have the crown, we have the Senior Santo Niño, and the wings. And
Ang ganda nga, nakita ko nga sa photo, di ba?
yeah, so palaban talaga ang mga Pilipino.
Yes.
Yeah, so we won that best traditional in costume. So I have a sash and I have also the
crown dito,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
And also, can you tell us, what is the talent na pinakita mo? Kasi you're one of the top 3, ha? Ang galing naman!
Aside yung aking traditional na festival Sinulog, so I'm very consistent. So, isinayaw ko si Senior Santo Niño.
So the Sinulog itself, so dinala mo yung festival na Sinulog from Cebu to Thailand. Ang
So,
galing naman.
Yes, tapos sabi nila, ano yung isinayaw mo? Sabi ko, that's, the Senior Santo Niño is
The baby Jesus.
Yes, the baby Jesus. And then, and they said, what is the meaning? It's a ritual in every January to accept the Christianity. So,
yes, diba?
So sila talagang, ganun. Kaya nga, siya yung pinipresent ko sa buong mundo. The baby Jesus.
The Pit Senior, Viva Pit Senior, diba? The Sinulog.
The Sinulog.
Alam ko naman marami na kayong excited dyan for the Sinulog, diba?
Yes.
Oo. And now, what can you say about those people or viewers who trusted you and supported you? Go ahead.
First of all, ng aking mga supporters, number 1 is my husband, Michael Sanders, and my pamangkin, Christine May, Mirna and Vivian, who are supportive. Pumunta lang talaga sa Bangkok just to assist me. All my batchmate, high school in Iligan, St. Michael's, my life with family. So talagang dito sila yung nagpagikan gyud in the airport, even alas 11
Send
na.
off?
Yes,
Wow, galing naman.
Maski alas 11 ng gabi hanggang pagdating ko. So sila talaga yung nakakapagbigay sa akin ng lakas, no? So thank you to all the LifeWave staff, buong Pilipinas, talagang nakamonitor sila. So, and especially yung aking makeup artist, Wendell Quisido.
Si Wendell! Si Mommy Wendell. Hello, Wendell. Mommy Wendell. Follower naman natin yan
Talaga siya talaga ang nagpapaganda. Ito ang secret ng mga
beauty queens.
Mga beauty queens na talagang hindi ka lalabas na hindi ka daw maganda.
Tama naman. And also, it shows naman ang ganda mo.
Salamat.
And you deserve the crown.
Yes, thank you so much. And marami ding salamat yung sa aking mga gowns and dresses na talagang, alam mo, the secret of winning pala is the preparations. Yung preparations by our international designer, Roy D. Yung lahat ng aking damit from umpisa up to the 8 days, talagang kami yung nag-prepare, anong suot, anong kulay. And also to Michael Churrosero in Manila, yung aking damit yung pagdating sa Thailand. Kasi pagdating mo lang sa Thailand, ang daming mga mga media doon.
Yes.
Ang daming nandoon na yung mga judges. So, sa airport pa lang na sila.
Nakaabang na sila, di ba?
So, sabay ko si Mrs. Canada at saka si Mrs. Sri Lanka. So, sabay kaming dumating yung aming flight. So, ako naman ay first time na ang daming mga tao. So kami pala yung inaabangan.
Inaabangan ng mga tao doon sa Thailand.
So super excited ako kasi first time, basta ang sabi ni Michael na asawa ko na, walang expectation. Pagpunta mo is just having fun. Kasi at my age naman, Fritz, na 60 years old. Oh
my God, for this generation, age doesn't matter na talaga.
I know.
Everyone can be a beauty queen.
Yeah, I know. Yun ang sinabi nila. Ano ba yung secret mo na wala bang nagsasabi na bakit ka nag-join na at your age? Sabi ko, ito lang ang aking weapon. Talagang may PMA ka. Ano yung PMA daw nila? Sabi ko, physical, mental attitude. Positive, no? Positive ka lang that the others can do, why can't me? So,
correct.
Why not?
Correct, diba?
Yun, at saka ang daming salamat to all my friends in Facebook na ang daming mga greetings na hindi ko na masagot. A million thanks to everyone, especially to all the Filipinos, hindi lang dito sa Philippines, maski buong mga Filipino na sa ibang bansa, even my
Filipino
sister.
community.
Yeah, Filipino community in the other country, like my sister Ali and Gingging, hello, in the US. Talagang nag-abang, walang tulugan. So, ganun pala. Naging instant celebrity.
Diba? Sikat na sikat, diba?
Pag hindi ka sanay, parang pag ikaw yung hindi ka sanay, parang pagdating natin sa bahay, natatawa ka na lang na wow, ang ganda palang experience. So, mga misis nandyan na may kaedad ko or batang-bata pa sa akin, huwag kayong hesitant to join mga ganito. Pag ginusto mo, why not? Why you did not try?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do not stop dreaming.
Yes, correct.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright, makalaga, no? Ang dami natin nalaman ngayon sa Beauty Queen natin. But before we continue with our next segment, I would like to thank first our sponsor. I would like to thank Team Flora Dermatologica for always making me fresh because I am Team Flora Touch. And I would like to personally thank also Desire by Salon Expert for always making my hair beautiful. Now, let's light the up. Let's loosen up because our next segment is the Fast Talk. Okay? In just 1 minute. So, dalawa, 2 options. You will pick only one.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Fast Talk, beauty or brain?
Brain.
Island life or city life?
Island.
Travel or books?
Travel.
Coffee or chocolate?
Coffee.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise.
Cell phone or internet?
Cellphone.
Walang tulog, walang kain.
Walang kain.
Long gown or dress?
Long gown.
Anyana in 1 word.
Anyana is amazing.
Amazing. All right. So, kindly please invite our Laagan sa Sugbo viewers where we can follow you, your social media platform, and who would you like to say thank you? Go ahead.
Okay, to all our friends, may mga Facebook, Instagram, so you can follow the Laagan sa Cebu.
Oh, thank you. Laagan sa Cebu. Thank you.
Yeah, and don't forget also to follow this video, lahat ng mga taga Lifewave, lahat ng friends ko, relatives sa buong mundo. So, enjoy. Try watch this video.
Yes. And who would you like to say thank you? You have sponsors or anyone would you like to say thank you?
Thank you also to all our friends, especially the number 1, my husband, Windel Quisido for my makeup, my dress, Ruidi, Michael Churro Zero from Manila, and of course, my ninang, the CEO of iFuel, Krisha Luyang. Thank you for everything, Ninang, for taking care of all the dresses na binigay mo. Thank you so much your concern na how's your shoes? Thank you so much for all. Lahat ng mga taong nagmamahal, mga kaibigan ko, relatives, friends, and all my leaders of Sunshine Team, buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Wow, very amazing. Ang daming sumusuporta, no? So mga Kalagan, once again, our classic Mrs. Asia International 2023 All-Nation winner, Anyana Bolichi Saunders. Thank you very much for guesting here at Laagan sa Cebu. It's an honor to have you here. Congratulations, and you bring pride to our country, which is the Philippines. Thank you very much. And good luck for your projects and events in the near future.
Thank you, Prince.
You're welcome. And also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Sugbo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Sugbo. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz nagsasabi, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Sugbo Pageantry All Access.